They say every great civilization ends with its greatest invention, so what if the last thing humanity ever creates is something smarter than itself? We stand on the edge of history, not a technological upgrade, but an evolutionary shift. AI isn't just changing how we work, it's quietly rewriting what it means to be human the moment we stopped being alone. For millions of years, intelligence belonged only to us. Every tool we built was an extension of our hands, never our minds. The wheel, the engine, the internet, they made us faster, stronger, more connected. But now, for the first time, we've built something that thinks. Artificial intelligence doesn't sleep, doesn't forget, doesn't feel fear or boredom, and every second it learns, it adapts, it evolves. This isn't a tool anymore. It's a mirror. It reflects back everything we know and everything we still don't understand about ourselves. The promise and the paradox. AI promised us a world of efficiency, automation, abundance, opportunity. But with every breakthrough comes a paradox. The more powerful it becomes, the less control we seem to have. Artists compete with algorithms, writers with language models, and soon, doctors, lawyers, even creators might find themselves asking, what's left for me to do that AI can't? The truth, plenty, but only if we evolve to. AI may be the final invention we ever need to make, but not the final chapter of our story. Unless we stop growing, the shift from creation to understanding. You see, the next era won't belong to those who can use AI. It will belong to those who can understand it. The thinkers, the visionaries, the ones who know that real intelligence isn't just computation, it's consciousness. Machines can predict patterns, but they can't dream. They can mimic emotion, but they can't feel. They can process knowledge, but they can't understand meaning. That's still our domain for now. So the winners of the AI age won't be the ones who fight machines, but those who merge with them ethically, intelligently, and purposefully. The dawn of coevolution. Imagine a world where human creativity and artificial intelligence work side by side. Not man versus machine, but man with machine. We guide it with wisdom, not fear. We train it to amplify what's best in us, not replace it. That's how humanity survives its own genius, not by shutting the door on AI, but by becoming wiser than the power we've created. Because if AI is our final invention, then wisdom must be our final evolution. Every tool we've ever built shaped us, but this one tests us. The question isn't what AI will become, it's what we will become because of it. We're not at the end, we're just at the beginning of a new kind of intelligence, where humanity must finally decide what being human really means. The greatest danger of AI is not that it will become like humans, but that we will become like it.